Salam sejahtera, my name is Rabiana binti Ramir. I will talk about Warren Buffett, how most people should invest in 2021. For introduction, Warren Buffett was born on 30 August 1930 in Omaha, Nebraska. He is regarded as the most successful investor of the 20th and early 21st centuries. And he also known as the word I wealthiest person in July 2022. Next, thrill investment reason of Warren Buffett 2021. First, difficulty of stock picking. Buffett advised against investing on single stock. In fact, Buffett advised newcomer to the stock market to think twice before attempting to execute to execute 30 or 40 trades every day. And then, second argument in index funds. Billionaire investor Warren Buffett has recommended investing in low-cost index fund instead of stock. He recommends S&P 500 index fund and he asked trustee in charge of his inheritance to invest 19% of his money in S&P 500 and 10% in treasury notes. Okay, and then lastly, stock market not like a casino. Buffett asks people not treat stock market like a casino. According to Buffett, there is nothing wrong with gambling and that they have higher odds that if they play the lottery, but they don't have a lot of excellent results. Next point, Warren Buffett philosophy in investment. First, look for emergent safety. Buffett investment philosophy is based on prioritizing a margin of safety. A margin of safety, in simple terms, refers to aspects of investment that help to safeguard investors from losing money. Okay, and then do not fear market crash and corrections. The obvious purpose of stock investing is to buy low and sell high, yet human nature can lead us to do just the opposite. When stock market crash, it's human nature to sell before price fall any lower. Buffett enjoy it when stock price falls because it gives the opportunity to occur at a lower discount price. Third, long-term mindset investment. Buffett does not pick stock because he believes the price will climb this week, this month, or even next year or this year. Buffett purchased equity because he intends to hold the companies for the long run, and he still sells equities frequently and for a variety of reasons, but he approached the majority of his investment with intention of holding them indefinitely. And lastly, learn the basic of value investing. A value investor goal is to buy $100 worth of a company stock for less than $100, preferably significantly or less. Value investors look for and invest in companies with intrinsic value that are much higher than the enterprise value reflected by a level at which their stock trade. Next problem solution. Tips for invest for beginner. What makes some people more successful than others? The research of Daniel Kahneman and Amos Tversky offer new insight into decision making, which may be the key to Buffett's success. Next, avoid the pitfalls of rapid thinking. The human mind is made up of emotional decision-making process that are susceptible to biases and errors. such as mental framing. Short-term thinking frequently leads to stock trading rather than investing in business. Next, do not fear of loss. In his 1996 letter to investor, Warren Buffett described Coca-Cola and Gillette as companies that will dominate their respective area for the duration of an investor lifetime. For conclusion, Buffett is credited with popularizing the value investing philosophy, which advocates investing in companies with strong profitability and long-term growth prospects. Buffett prefers companies that pay out dividends to shareholders and is drawn to companies that admit their faults. And then Forbes named hedge fund manager Michelle Sandhart Wall Street greatest threat said CNBC that Buffett is the greatest PR person of all time. Since returns were equal to Buffett's, but his name spawn was less than half of Buffett's. But men agree that system to decision making is critical to successful investing. That's all from me. Thank you.